Of course, the most defining feature is their coat of quills. These are not ordinary hairs but stiff hollow spines made of keratin. A single North American porcupine can possess over 30,000 of these remarkable structures. Each quill is sharp at the tip and covered in microscopic overlapping barbs that face backward. They navigate their world primarily through sound and scent, sniffing the air for signs of food or danger. The most persistent myth surrounding the porcupine is that it can throw or shoot its quills at an attacker. This is, quite simply, untrue. Instead, the quills are very loosely attached to the skin and detach with the slightest touch. The porcupine's defensive strategy is reactive, not proactive. When a threat is detected, a remarkable transformation occurs. Muscles at the base of each quill contract, causing the entire coat of spines to stand erect, creating a much larger and more intimidating profile. The porcupine will often turn its back to the aggressor, protecting its vulnerable face. It may then perform a sudden backward rush, a surprisingly swift maneuver designed to impale the unwary predator. The porcupine can then make its escape, leaving the predator to deal with the painful consequences. Beyond their incredible defensive capabilities, porcupines possess a wealth of other fascinating traits. Many species, particularly the North American porcupine, are surprisingly adept swimmers. Their hollow quills act as a natural flotation device, helping to keep them buoyant. They are also far more vocal than one might imagine. Soft grunts, whines, high-pitched shrieks, tooth chattering. Mothers and their young, known as porcupets, share a particularly gentle and complex vocal repertoire. In their ecosystem, porcupines play a subtle but important role. Their gnawing on trees can actually help thin out dense forest stands, allowing more sunlight to reach the forest floor. They are not just armored wanderers but quiet gardeners and architects of their environment. And so, our brief glimpse into the life of the porcupine comes to a close. We have seen that behind the formidable armor lies a creature of surprising complexity and gentle habit. From its adaptable nature that allows it to colonize diverse habitats across the world to its specialized diet and ingenious passive defense. This is an animal that has perfected the art of being left alone, an animal whose very presence shapes the forest around it. By understanding its world, from its craving for salt to its surprisingly tender maternal care, we replace fear and misunderstanding with a deep sense of wonder and appreciation. The natural world is filled with such extraordinary stories waiting to be discovered. What was your favorite fact about porcupines today? Share it in the comments below and follow for more wildlife adventures.